Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing a target surface and the geometry you want to scatter. This is essential so Forest Pack knows where and what to distribute. Once done, add a new Forest Pack object and assign your surface in the geometry rollout. Make sure to pick your scattering mode, surface or spline, because that controls density mapping. Now set a conservative preview percentage so viewport stays responsive. You can increase density later for final renders. You now refine how instances look and behave. Use a density map or procedural map to control exact placement, because this avoids manual tweaks. Then activate rotation and scale randomization to break tiling. Small variations read as natural. Once you have many high-poly assets, switch them to Forest Pack proxies or XREF objects to preserve memory. Also check the Align to Normal option if objects must follow terrain. This keeps objects sitting correctly on slopes and uneven surfaces. Finish by adjusting render density and enabling any interpolation or detail layers needed for close-ups. This ensures your final frame matches the preview. You should bake transforms or export proxies before committing to a long render so instances are stable. If you hit issues, such as flickering, clipping, or unexpected gaps, first check surface normals and reduce overlap or density in problematic areas. Alternatively, use a small random scale offset to hide repetition. Then re-render with a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.